lost the time, tell me what you gon' do. Act a fool. If you about to get drunk and you ready to ride, boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Let's take it to the streets, cause I'm ready to cruise. Just bought me and my cars on some brand new shoes. And the people just stand, so I love to park it. And I just put the computer in the glove compartment with my pedal to the floor, radar on the grill, TV in the middle of my steering wheel. It's my car's birthday, so we blowing them candles. My speakers in the trunk, then my ride can handle. Got my leg in the headrest, reading the deep. Now it's tank in the back, camel hair on the seat. And when I pull up to the club, I get all the attention, cause the women love the pain and they can see the reflection. I'm about to take off, so F what you heard, because my side mirrors flap like a fucking bird. And for the balls, I'll clock one, then we'll pop one, cause my folk riding shotgun with a shotgun. You just got hustle for a while and pass, man, what you gon' do? Act the fool. Now your brains just smoked up, your brain is smashed. Say what you gon' do? Act the fool. Now the pillows on the block still running out. Boy, what you gon' do? Act the fool. If anybody talk bad about the dirt, I'll tell you what I'm gon' do. Act the fool. I got my eyes wide shut and my trunk wide open. Did donuts last week in the street still smoking. See, I'm off the antifreeze and my car is tipsy. On the off-ramp doing about 150. Rolling through East Burn on my way to Big Hill. Slide a 5 to the junkie to clean my windshield. Got the whole crew riding and we starting shit. I even got a trailer hitch with a barbecue pit. And now all you wanna do is get drunk and out. Plus your new name is Fire, cause the storms out. And yeah, we found trees and bees, that's fantastic. Some girls hold your weave while I'm weaving through traffic. I kick the fifth gear and tear the road apart. She'll be like a little John Q and get a change of heart. It's 1 inch, 2 clips, and some triple beam. I'm about to blow this whole shit up to 7 My homies in the street just been to ribs. Tell me what you gon' do? Act the fool. Sticky, that sticks and stems. What you gon' do? Act the fool. Get your man with another bitch up in your bed, ladies. What you gon' do? Act the fool. If the bottles are gone and your eyes are red, boy, what you gon' do? Act the fool. Fast, too fast, furious, fast. Act the fool. Fast, too fast, furious, fast. Act the fool. Fast, too fast, furious, let's get it on. Get it on the floor. 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 You don't want to party, your ass gotta go. You don't want to party, your ass gotta go. And you ride dance on the floor, bounce dance on the floor, freak dance on the floor. Let's get it on. Get it on the floor. Get it on the floor. Once again, it's the dog nigga, and it's sparking nigga, like a party nigga. If the dog is big, under stress, to the left, money can bless, to the chest, I'm slugs from the Smith and West. I'm a purple player, all a nigga down, 6 motherfucker feet of dirt, all a nigga, my hands stay dirty, cause I play dirty the my way. You don't know, I can find out the hard way. A nigga job is never done, I handle my business how it comes, and it's never been a one-on-one, there hasn't been a problem, I resolve them like salt, I get them, take a fall, but never fuck this hard.
Да похуй, блядь.
Niggas like you need to get busted, fucking clown. I start to support my beats. I hold down my foot, never get caught in the crease. Nigga, get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't want to party, your ass gotta go. You don't want to party, your ass gotta go. And you can ride dance on the floor, bounce dance on the floor, freak dance on the floor. Let's get it on. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Look, when I'm not really sure which way to go. Should I play the local, but I did the video. No way to phone, I was striking this paper. I can't stand the fake ass nigga. Wanna get it back, looking over my shoulder. Cause it's colder than it was, it's smart shorty. Because I'm a little older than cars and the bars from the source. With the chain to your brain, would turn out big nigga to a fucking stain. I came from the dirt, it's the hurt go away for a minute. I'm gonna die about it, cause I'm like knee deep in it. You motherfuckers wonder why I start shit. When you look in my face, you see that hard shit. Cause I done been selling back. I ain't quit selling crack. I'd rather rob a nigga, even with a shell up in his back. On the real, so proof. Hit the GWB on the whole roof. Off the toe, bitch ass nigga. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't want to party, your ass gotta go. You don't want to party, your ass Freak that motherfucker. Let's get it on.